Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about a monohybrid cross. What is monohybrid cross? Mono means single. Hybrid means cross between two parents. Okay. So it is we are getting perfect or it is a desirable parent we'll get it. Okay. So it is crossing of two plants differing in one character which is also called as monohybrid class or cross between one set of character crossing between one set of character which is also called monohybrid cross. So for that Mendel he chose this the seven pair of character: height of the stem, color of the flower, pod shape, pod size, okay, position of the flower, cotyledon shape and this color. So this is a seven pair of character is selected for this experiment. So the monohybrid cross results, okay, based on this result formulated law of dominance on law of segregations or else law of purity of gametes. So Mendel selected two pea plants, okay, one with tall stem and other with tall stem or short stem. This plant were considered as a parental character, were pure breeding. So tall and dwarf, they are pure breeding. It's also parental characters. And this a pure plant is one that breeds is true in respect of particular character for number of generation. F1, the F1 generation, a plant were capital T and small t. Pure tall plant has dominant gene for height represented capital T and capital T. Pure dark parent has two recessive gene represent small t small t. The phenotypic ratio 3 is to 1 and genotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1. Next we are going to see this how the crossing occurs. So this is the tall, it's a parent, tarp is a parent. It's a pure character which is selected for this experiment. So tall parent and tarp parent. Tall parent we write it capital T and capital T. Dark parent we write it small t small t. So when you this after the parent with the gametes will be separate, it is capital T, here small t. Then this F the parent self pollinated or self crossed, okay, we'll get it in this F1 generation heterozygous tall. Previously the parent are homozygous in nature and pure characters. When we come to this F1 generation, they have a heterozygous nature, then there is a tall. Then in it is F1 it is intercrossed, okay, with its parents, okay. So the capital T will convert the gametes capital T and small t. Again this capital T and small t converted to capital T and small t. When you put it in the checkerboards, so when we always write as male species in the upstairs and this female in the down bottom line. So capital T and small t, capital T and small t. So when we cross, so we have to cross like this capital T and capital T. Whenever write this gene characters, we have to write first dominant nature capital T and small t. When we cross here two type of characters capital T and small t, but we have to write dominant character first and second is the recessive character. So heterozygous tall. Then again small t and capital T and small t small t small t. So this homozygous tall, two heterozygous tall and this homozygous tall. So they only express the parental characters. The phenotypic ratio 3 is to 1, 3 tall and 1 dwarf. The genotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1. This is called as monohybrid cross. Through that he proved his law of in law of dominance and law of segregations. Why? So this particular pure parent able to, okay, show himself via dominant and recessive. Recessive character when will we express that the time of dominant gene absent. And this parental characters even this F1 generation after F2 generations, they can able to express only the parental character. They able to distinguish, separate their natures as a tall and dwarf. Even number of generation also happen. So this is called as mono hybrid cross. Thank you so much watching this video.